Hello, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 ways to be successful at affiliate marketing. Now, if you are watching this video right now, then I believe you are an affiliate marketer and you're looking for ways in which you can run a successful affiliate marketing business. If that's you right now, then you've come to the right place. Or perhaps you're just a beginner looking to get started with affiliate marketing and you don't want to make any mistakes, then this is the video for you. So without any time wasting, let's dive right into the video. So the first way to be successful in affiliate marketing is to stop sending people directly to your affiliate links. Okay. When was the last time you clicked on a random affiliate link that you saw on the internet and just went and instantly purchased the product? Let me guess. Very unlikely, right? So when you're going out here, guys, and I know there's a lot of people out here just telling you, hey, you can get started with affiliate marketing for free. Just go to ClickBank, go on Amazon, get a link, and then you can paste that link all over social media. You can paste that link all over Facebook groups. You can send it to your friends and family, spam the link on the internet as much as you can, and then you can make some money as soon as someone buys the product. But what they don't tell you is that it's not that easy to convert complete strangers to purchase your products when you are just out here spamming a bunch of links. Because what does that make you? That makes you a spammer, right? And with a lot of, online thefts going on right now, hackers and things of that nature, people are becoming more and more skeptical about the type of links that they're clicking out there on the internet. I personally wouldn't click on a link that had something like a 978ZD, whatever the case may be, or some bit.ly short on a link that you've put out there and you're trying to get me to click. I'm not going to take you seriously because number one, it tells me that you don't have a real brand, you don't have a real business, and your main goal is to try and get me to buy a product that you probably aren't even passionate about. Okay. So when you're out here promoting affiliate products and just sending people directly to your affiliate links, you're not building credibility with your audience. People don't trust you. Okay. And this is why you're probably struggling right now in your affiliate marketing business, because someone has told you that you can just get a link and just, spam it and just share it on social media and just post it in as many different places as possible and start making money. Right? You're just going to look like everybody else who's doing the exact same thing because the barriers to entry are very, very low, which means that every other person is doing the exact same thing. And, you don't actually get to stand out from the crowd. You just look like everybody else. Nobody takes you seriously and everybody thinks you are a scam. Okay. So in order to be successful in affiliate marketing, stop sending people directly to affiliate links. Find a way to build yourself as a brand, as an authority, in your niche. Okay, before you try to sell something. Sorry to interrupt you, but I wanted to share with you guys a free training that is currently ongoing right now where you can learn how to build your own widely successful affiliate marketing business using a done-for-you system in as little as 7 days from today. So whether you are a beginner just getting started right now in affiliate marketing, or you already have a business up and running, but you're struggling to get sales in your affiliate marketing business, this training is going to reveal some powerful strategies that can help you get the best results in your affiliate marketing business. Now, there's going to be a link below this video in the description field, and there's also going to be a link on the screen right now where you can click to access this free training, okay? Right, let's get back to the video. Another way to build a successful affiliate marketing business is to build an email list. Now, again, very similar to the first point that we just looked at. When you go out there on the internet, be it on social media, on TikTok, and you send someone to the link in your bio to go to your affiliate product, what happens next, right? They go to that company's website. Over 99.9% of the time, they are not going to buy that product. And this is why you're probably getting a ton of traffic, a ton of likes and, views and engagement, website tabs, but no one is buying anything. Research has actually shown that on average, people want to see your messages 7 times before they take out your credit card and buy from you. Just because your content went viral on Instagram or TikTok doesn't guarantee that you are going to make a sale. So when somebody goes to that website, right, what happens? They're going to look at the opportunity, look at the product you're trying to promote. And if it doesn't resonate with them, guess what? They X the browser, they leave the website, and you're probably never going to hear from them again, right? Unless somehow your content again emerges on the internet and grabs their attention, then they'll probably check out your business again and be like, yeah, I'm going to go back and, check that website, right? Now look at it from this perspective, right? Imagine that instead of sending people to that website directly, you were actually sending them to your own funnel. Okay, a page where you could actually get their name and email before you send them to your affiliate products. Wouldn't that be better to grab their data and then follow up with them at the back end? because now you have a way of tracking who has actually been to that website. You now have their data. And this is power of building your email list and not just sending people directly to affiliate offers. So many affiliates are actually lazy on the internet. And this is why they're struggling to get any form of success in their businesses, because they're just out here sending people to links when they should really be focused on building themselves as an authority, getting people's data. You're sending all your traffic directly to that company's website and you have no way of following up with people. Okay, so make sure you're building your email list, guys. Okay, it's really, really important. This is your asset. Another way to be successful in affiliate marketing is to build a website or a blog. And I know there's a lot of videos out there that will tell you how to start affiliate marketing without a website or blog. And as easy as they make it sound, you are going to find yourself stuck. Okay, you may go around ClickBank and get a few links, or go to Digistore, get some links from there. But the problem now is promoting that business, going out there and not looking like everybody else. When you don't have a website of your own, I'm talking about a real brand, your website literally is going to separate you from everybody else, because you can build yourself as an authority. You're going to have your own business name that nobody else owns out there on the internet. You're not going to be out there competing with all the other affiliates, sending people directly to a product. You are now going to be sending people to your own platform. And people are going to take you more seriously if you send them to a website that looks like a real business versus sending them directly to an affiliate product that everybody else is promoting. So by having a website, you can build yourself as an authority. Not only that, Google loves blogs. So when you have access to your own blog, you can create valuable content around your niche, and you can use that to attract people to your blog, people who are actually interested in your products, who are actually on the internet searching for, solutions to the problems that you have to offer. Right? Imagine you were in the make money online niche and somebody was out there on the internet looking for information on how to make money online, and they came to your blog and read your content. Would you agree with me that there's a higher chance that that person can then go on to purchase a product that you are recommending to them? Because they already came on the website, came on the internet with that intention, that mindset of wanting to make money. Unlike social media, you go on social media and you're hoping that someone's going to resonate with your content and buy your product. People don't go on social media to buy products. People go on social media to be entertained. Okay? And this is why you see some people, they get, they have reels that are going viral, but no one's buying from them. Yes, the reel may be entertaining, but guess what? Nobody wants to buy. They didn't come there to buy. They came to be entertained. Okay, so having your own website builds yourself as an authority, and it's also a great way to, build traffic to your offers. Traffic that actually converts better. Okay. The fourth way to be successful in affiliate marketing is to be passionate about your niche. So a lot of affiliate marketers, unfortunately, are of the notion that I can just start a business and get rich quick. And I don't blame people, because there's a lot of gurus out there trying to sell you some, 2K course on how to, make money and get rich, make 10K a month and things of that nature. Listen, if you're not passionate about what you do, you are going to lose interest in little to no time. And that's going to show in your efforts as well. If you're just starting a business because you want to make money fast, get rich fast, you're going to find yourself jumping from one business opportunity to another. This is called the shiny object syndrome, because you're not passionate about your niche. Your goal is just to make money. Yes, we're all out here to make money, but at least have some passion in what you do. Don't be out here promoting the product because someone has told you that you can make a certain amount of money, yet you have no passion in that niche. Because if you're not passionate about what you do, guess what? You're not motivated to create content. You're not motivated to show up in your business. You're not excited about your business. And people can just see through that. They can see that you're just out there to make money. When you see someone who's passionate about what they do, you can tell, because they do it with everything they've got. And if you're not passionate about your niche, you're not going to make any money. Okay, you're going to find yourself just jumping from one opportunity to another, trying to get rich quick, which, by the way, does not exist. Last but not least, another way to be successful in affiliate marketing is to be patient and consistent. At the end of the day, affiliate marketing is still a business. It's a business model. So you need to put in the work. You need to show up in your business. You need to be patient. It's not going to be an overnight success. Okay. But if you can be patient and consistent in your business, I can guarantee you that the results are going to speak for themselves. Okay. So show up in your business. Like I always say, show up in your business as consistently as you would like to see money in your bank account. How many times do you want to get paid in a day? If you want to get paid every hour, show up every hour. If you want to get paid every minute, show up every minute. Because the more you show up in your business and put your offers out there, the more people are able to see it and the more you're likely to make money. Okay. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found some value in this video. And if you guys are looking for the best way to start your affiliate marketing business or how to build a widely successful one, then I do have a free training that actually teaches you how to build a successful affiliate marketing business and how you can stand out from the crowd of other affiliate marketers out here and dominate the industry. So if you guys are interested, there's going to be a link below this video in the description, or you can check out the link on the screen right now to access this free training, and I'll see you guys in my next video.